channel, and we'll be back on the radio when we're ready.
Righto, guys.
A little bludger.
All ribs. We're on the beach now at the hut. You'll see our tenders here. We're just setting up for the oysters and the Q&A. So we'll see you all soon. Over.
Cheers, Randolph.
Cheers.
Another good Kooringal event.
Love it.
Show me your dump snap.
Yeah, just put it, yeah, see.
On behalf of Jody and I, thank you, mate. You, Melinda, again, another awesome show of organisation and customer service. So thank you very much. Sincere gratitude to all other people that were there on the weekend, the ones that we met for the first time, those that we caught up with. Again, to all of you, thanks for your hospitality and your friendship, and look forward to the next one.
Yeah, copy that. Always have Always a pleasure to have you with us, and good to hear that you've made some more Riviera boating friends, and yeah, we do look forward to having you on the next one. Over.